What's up, YouTube? It's your girl JJ, and I'm back again with another video. And if you read the title, I'm pretty sure you know what we're getting into today. I'm doing a story time slash makeup tutorial, and if you're interested in this video, stay tuned. Okay, it was just this random day. At least I thought it was gonna be this random ass day. No, I think that was the worst day of my life. But I was 16 years old. It was around September. I think it was 2017, if I'm not mistaken. But I was 16 years old. And I was just at home braiding my hair. Because I braid my hair, I do my hair. I do hair. So I was just braiding my hair. Doing my hair. Just a regular day. And I do not wish that pain on nobody. Like, nobody. And I'm going to show you guys the picture of my leg when I burnt it. Like, I still got that mark on my leg to this day. I used to feel so ashamed of it, but now everybody thinks it's a birthmark. So I'm like, okay, it's a birthmark, whatever. But anyway, let me get back to the story. It was just this regular day, just a regular ass day, and I was just braiding my hair. And I was doing my hair all night long because I wanted my hair to be finished that morning because I was planning on going over my sister's house. Yeah, I was planning on going over my sister's house that afternoon, so I wanted my hair to be finished. I was doing my hair all night. Like, I was up all night doing my hair, and I finished my hair in one day. I was doing some like smaller braids, some real small braids. And that morning, I don't know, it just felt like a regular day. Like, it didn't feel like nothing was gonna happen. I just thought I was gonna go to my sister's house over there and have fun. I didn't know I was gonna burn my leg and have to go to the hospital for 2 weeks. I didn't know that shit. So that morning I was getting dressed or whatever, and I was finishing my hair, so I had to dip my ends. Like, if you braid hair, you know, like, you got to dip your ends once they're braided, so they can look straight instead of fuzzy at the ends. But yeah, that morning I didn't dip my hair last night because I was so tired. I didn't feel like having all my hair wet and dripping all over me. So yeah, I woke up that morning. I was just getting dressed, packing my stuff, just knowing I was going over my sister's house. Just knowing. But I was all dressed and stuff. I'm calling my sister like I'm ready, so I'm finna dip my hair or whatever. I'm dipping my hair. I don't know, like, I don't know why. I don't know why. Okay, I poured the hot boiling water. I was boiling water. I was boiling water. It's like this big old pot. I had a whole bunch of water in there. I was boiling the water. So the water was done boiling. So I poured the hot water in a cup, like this big old cup. And I don't dip my hair in the pot because I feel like it's nasty or whatever. So I just dipped the hot water, poured the hot water inside the big cup so I can dip my hair. So when I was doing that, I was getting scared, like, damn, what if I burn myself? Not knowing I was finna burn myself. So I poured the water in the cup perfectly, just perfectly. Didn't get no hot water splashed on me or nothing. And I was dipping my hair. I had all of the boiling water inside this cup that I dip my hair in. I set the cup on the table. I'm dipping my hair. First time, everything all smooth. It's all smooth. So I do the rest of it. And I don't know what. I think somebody called my name, or I think my phone was ringing. Something happened where I hurried up and I moved back from the cup. So when I moved back from the cup, the water spilled all over my legs. I'm telling you, if that wasn't the worst thing that happened to me, then this water spilled on my leg. I'm hollering. I'm hollering. Everybody was in the house before I started dipping my hair, but some weird reason wasn't nobody in the house. I couldn't find nobody. I'm around running around hollering. I took off my pants because my skin stuck to my pants. Like when I took off my pants, I took off my panties, I took off my night pants, and my skin was stuck to my night pants. So I just threw them. I'm running around the house butt naked screaming. Where everybody at? I'm yelling like, ah, my leg, my leg. I'm looking for everybody. So happened, my sister comes through the front door. What's wrong? What's wrong? I'm showing her my leg. I'm like, I burned my leg. Call the ambulance. Call the ambulance. So I'm in the room. I'm laying down on the bed. My leg is so, my skin is like literally hanging off of my legs. Like it looked so nasty. So when I looked down, I was so scared. I didn't know what to do. So first thing I thought was to grab a towel and pour some cold water on it because my skin was hot. It was burning. It was hurting so bad. So my first thought was to get some cold water and get a big towel and put it on my leg. I tell you, if you burn your leg with boiling water, do not put cold water on your leg at all. Please don't. I put that cold water on my leg. I could have had a seizure. I could have died right there. Cause that pain, don't wish it on nobody. I put that cold water on my leg, and it started burning even more. Like, even I took it off and it was still burning. So I runs outside looking for my mama, because at this point, where's the ambulance at and where's my mama? So I run outside butt naked. Neighbors see me butt naked and everything. They run over there trying to figure out what's going on with me too. So by the time the ambulance pulled up, my mama pulled up. And she like, what's happening? What's happening? What? The ambulance people came in the house. They grabbed me. They put me on this little stretcher thing. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. But anyway, they put me on one of those, and they put me in an ambulance truck, and they gave me a shot, a big old needle in my leg and in my arm, so it can numb the pain. And on my way to the hospital, I was scared as fuck. I wanted my mom to come with me. I wanted my sister to come with me. And nobody arrived to the hospital with me. I was scared as fuck. When I got to the hospital, my sister was there, so that was a good thing. She was there with me the whole 2 weeks. She didn't leave at all. She really as fuck. Yeah, that was crazy as fuck. Like, never. That was scary. And I'm gonna show y'all the pictures too of my leg. Y'all gonna be like, what the fuck? I'm gonna use my Julia foundation. Y'all need to get y'all some of this. It's real good. It's good on my skin. But yeah, that was a crazy ass day. And
first impression, you OPN. We should be closer friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer friends. If you OPN, engaging is on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. situation. Open up. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. You OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up, open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up.